Hi everybody, this is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to create a free shipping template in Amazon Seller Central. It's actually a multi-step process and there's lots of tricks that Amazon has set up. So let's start with the item itself. It's this one right here. I offer it two ways. I offer it FBA. This is the FBA listing. And then there's FBM down here, Fulfilled by Merchant. And you can see FBM, there's a $5 shipping charge on top of that. I'm going to change that to nothing. So basically what we need to do, go to Amazon Seller Central. Don't get started on your inventory yet. Go to Settings and then go to Shipping Settings. Now pay attention here because this gets tricky. Press Create New Shipping Template. And then this should be automatically selected. Create a new shipping template. Press OK. This is a dark pattern that Amazon has set up. They want you to automate the shipping. Do not do this. I've explained why in another video, but it will cost you a lot of money if you make any mistakes with the automation. And basically the way Amazon has set it up, it's impossible not to have big problems, especially on the weekend. I won't get into it here. Just press cancel. Okay, shipping template name. This is going to be our US free template for LinkedIn CS. Okay. I'm just going to do per item, weight-based. Do not select shipping setting automation. Leave that blank. Handling time, just be aware, if you say same day, that means Amazon will think you're able to ship it out on the same day, including on weekends. I would advise not doing that. Okay, so they've already set up the free economy shipping, fortunately for you. That's great. If you did not want to select it to have free shipping, you would disable that. In this case, we're going to keep it in there. Amazon, of course, wants to give free shipping for everything. So I'm just going to select that. One thing you should do, though, is you should check the transit time, because free shipping usually means cheap shipping. And cheap shipping usually means like, it could be media mail, it could be first class, it could be something else, UPS ground. So make sure that you set this right. I always choose the highest possible setting, and the reason why is for FBM, especially for a low-cost item, I do not want to be promising I'm going to get it to them very quickly. So 5 to 10 days is pretty normal these days, and then we can just keep it like that. It says add new shipping rule. This means that you can add it for other places like Hawaii and Alaska, U.S. protectorates, but just keep in mind if you're shipping to any of these places, your costs will be more expensive for ground shipping to those areas. For instance, first class, USPS first class mail, it depends on the distance that it's going now. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Okay, I think we're good for that. And then also check to see if you want to make any changes to the other standard shipping, expedited shipping, and things like that. For some items, I do not even offer the option of having 2-day delivery or expedited or international, and then click Save. Okay, so this is called US Free Template for LinkedIn Cheat Sheet. Now we have to apply the template to the item in question. So go to Inventory, go to Manage Inventory, and then I'm going to select Merchant Fulfilled Items, and I'm going to scroll down until I find it. And here it is. This is the item. So select that. You can see it says Migrated Template 504. That matches actually what we just saw here, 504. We're going to change that. Select the drop-down menu, Edit, select Change Shipping Template. This is confusing because you're like, well, where can I change the template? It's this drop-down right here. Click that. And then here it is, US Free Template for LinkedIn Cheat Sheet. And then yes, confirm. Now, one thing I would also do if I was offering free shipping for a low-cost item, make sure that you're going to be able to make a profit on it. Because in this particular case, let's find it. It's probably going to take a little bit for the actual free shipping to show up. This is it right here. So it still hasn't been updated. Check this later on. But in the meantime, before I was charging about $15 to ship this item, including shipping. Now with the free template, it'll just be $10, and that's just way too little. So I'm going to change this to $13.99. I think I can absorb that cost and click Save. Migrated template will disappear later on when Amazon updates its systems. Then it will be the free shipping. and just make sure that it applies actually on the Amazon detail page. So I'm going to reload this and check it later on. And then also, if you want to apply the same template to other items, like for instance the one right above it, I would do the same thing. Change shipping template and just use the same template and just use that particular template. This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like it and follow me. Also, if you go to leanmedia.org and click on video, I have many more playlists and special videos about Amazon, including scams and pitfalls, seller, FBA, and FBM, and other things. And it's a great place to learn about Amazon for free. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.